Let's check out the teacher resources available for Glow, one of the Owlet elementary math tools by BirdBrain Technologies. These resources are available on the BirdBrain Technologies website that will be linked in the description box below. Let's check them out. The Teacher's Guide for Glow shows you the basics of setup, how to customize math problems, and integration ideas into the classroom. The instructional resources includes an incentive chart that sparks excitement for setting goals, tracking progress, and celebrating successes. There are also 2 different performance trackers. The first one includes little structure for you to fill in the information as it makes sense for your classroom. And the second version provides documentation for student progress based on activity mode, level, and categories. And finally, the Glow printable overlays for extra copies that you can print and tape to Glow for additional student support. The printable student resources located on the BirdBrain Technologies website includes GlowGrid and fraction how-to cards, breaking down how to use each one of the activity modes. Fractions Unplugged, which you can print for drawing and comparing fractions, and GlowPix Student Prompts and Picture Plan to help students plan a unique design in Glow. See the description for more information on Glow, one of the Owlet elementary math tools by BirdBrain Technologies.